Hey guys, I'm checking in from the home office, aka my dining room table.
Hey everybody, it's Anna Miles calling you from my house.
Hey guys, it's Annalise checking in from my home office. I am definitely missing everyone at the P, but thankfully we've been able to keep pretty busy here.
Well, hello all. We are live from my home office, which is basically my entire living room.
Just want to give a shout out to everybody working from home, sending them love and magic.
This is Mara checking in, wanting to say hi, working from home.
We're working from home, and I wanted to give you a shot of where I've been working.
So I'm gonna give you a little tour of my place and show you where I'm working from.
We're still in the phases of renovating it, but I have a huge sectional, big fluffy pillows, a plaid rug.
This is my living room, and this is where I've been hanging out.
And gosh, it's not so bad. I've been really busy, I've been productive.
And I have a new coworker at home to keep me entertained. He has tried to eat a brick, a nail, a rock, and some walnuts within the past 2 days. We'll check in with him later and see if he's eaten anything else.
We actually have a new team member. Her name is Poppy. She is my assistant, so she makes all of my phone calls. She makes my coffee for me every day.
And give you a shot of the entire room. We hope you are well and safe. We are definitely working.
Give you a look into my living room. Nice view of the lake.
Spread out across the dining room table because creating beautiful spaces takes up a lot of room.
My dining room, which is the area I probably use most for this. I have this nice round dining table.
And I have to be honest, I love it. I have 9 feet to sprawl everything out on this table that was built by my good friends at Heritage Beam and Board. And I'm having a good time.
Here's my little desk setup. It's totally doable. It's great. I drink about I feel like 25 lattes a day and then 45 Coca-Colas, but
So this is my little home office corner that I've set up in my living room. Super comfy chair, and I have some floor plans going. I just finished some CAD, and of course have to have my coffee at all times.
And I'm going to walk into my den, which I love so much. So cozy. Has everything I need in here. Comfortable seating.
Looking forward to getting back and working with my coworkers in our studio and working with all of you guys as well.
we hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy. And we miss you all. So see you guys soon.
And stay healthy and stay inside and stay home. All right, here goes.
I love you!
Have a great week, everyone.